Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer TON from Binance to your Telegram wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go ahead on your Binance first and click on wallets. From here you will see a button withdraw, the second one, so you want to click on that, and you will also choose an option select withdraw method, withdraw. After that, you're gonna search for TON. You can go ahead and write it down here. Once you will find it, click on it and choose send via crypto network. Now, the network fee is 0.02 TON, like 10 cents, and the minimum withdrawal is 1 TON. After that, you will need to go ahead and have an address, which is, of course, your Telegram wallet address. So now you want to go to your Telegram. Here, you want to go ahead and click More Assets and click on your TON coin. And from here, you will have an option to click the second button, Receive, so click on it. Here, you will see your address where you can receive TON, only receive it. So you're gonna copy the address and go back to Binance. Here you're gonna copy this address just like so, and also they may ask you for a memo, but a memo is not required because the Telegram wallet is just like Keeper wallet. They don't have memos and you don't need it. The address is just all you need basically, so the memo is not really required in this case. Now you're going to enter the amount you want to go ahead and transfer and click withdraw, and that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.